Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Snapchat keeps crashing on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, update app. Firstly, tap on App Store. Search Snapchat app. Open Snapchat app. Check the app update are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is close the all background apps and Snapchat app is open and simply close all app and reopen it and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is delete Snapchat app and reinstall again. Select app Snapchat which you want to delete and install app again to App Store and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Snapchat keeps crashing on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.